Kaga, metal pa lang yun eh. Metal. Mentality. Oh, wait, my mom's gonna take a picture.
Ano pa, dali. Ganyan mo. Dito na yung budget ha. Mayroon na background.
Okay. Just wasted the half of the minute. Half a minute. Wow. This is really a replica of the Eiffel Tower. Wait lang. Don't you guys see the Eiffel Tower? The Eiffel Tower. Okay, it's pretty hot. Let me go back. It's hot. Shibay, shibay, shibay. I'm nervous of my slipper.
Wala mo yung picture mo ma.
Alright. Let's go. Can we order food? Alright. It's alright. It's okay. It's Mother's Day. Ito! May ingkoda no. Ha? May nakikoda dyan. I don't know.
Buri.
Buri. May buri. Dito ako. Ah, nasa buri tree. Uy, ganda ng cottage.
Madi naman lang yun ma.
Ay, busi. Awa ko sa di. Pero busi aw.
Hi.
Init.
Dito ba yun dito?
Dae. Order na food, mama.
Ay be, picture kami dito. Dito.
Ang ganda ng cottage na yon. Ay, we're gonna take pictures. Wait. We're done taking photos.
Madulong?
Okay lang. Okay lang yun. Hindi ako maingkod sa may banda buri, pero mainiton buri-buri. Shabu-shabu di.
Buri.
Dali na, mag-order na tayo ng food. Anong order mo? Maski na ng food. Where can I eat? Wait lang mga kapalihan. Guys, I'll make a part 3 of this because I will make a video first of the view.
Ay ka, matata ikaw.